What if I told you that your money could start working harder than you ever did, even while you sleep? Sounds crazy? Wait till you see how simple it actually is. Because 2026 isn't just another year, it's the opportunity window for smart investors. And if you miss it, you might regret it for the next decade. Let's be honest, most people want to invest. But they hesitate. They tell themselves, I'll start when I have more money, or the market is too risky right now. Guess what? That's exactly how people miss every major opportunity. So today I'm breaking down how to start investing smart in 2026, even if you're a total beginner, broke, or scared to lose. Stick around because near the end I'll reveal the one mindset shift that separates people who get rich from those who stay stuck forever. Let's dive in. Here's something nobody tells you about investing. It's not really about money, it's about psychology. See, most people treat money emotionally. They chase hype when the market is up and panic when it's down. Smart investors? They play the long game. They don't just earn money, they make money earn for them. That's the biggest mindset shift you need in 2026. Every dollar is a tiny employee, and your only job is to hire more of them. Crazy thought, right? But once you see your money as a tool, not a trophy, you'll never look at spending the same way again. Quick question, why do you even want to invest? Freedom? Security? Maybe you're just tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Your why is your compass. Because here's the truth. When the market drops, and it will, logic won't save you. Emotion will. So write your reason down. Put it on your mirror, your phone, your wall, anywhere you'll see it daily. That's your anchor when things get tough. Now, once you've got your why, you're ready for the most overlooked part of investing. And trust me, 90% of beginners skip this. Imagine this. You finally start investing. You're feeling good. Then your car breaks down, or your rent goes up. You panic and pull your money out at the worst time. That's how dreams die. So here's the fix. Before you invest a dime, build your emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of expenses safely set aside. This is your financial armor. Because without it, one bad month can erase all your progress. Now you're protected. Let's talk about the fun part, making your money grow. You've probably heard people say, you need thousands to invest. False. You can start with $10. Yep, seriously. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or eToro let you invest small. The secret isn't how much you start with, it's that you start at all. Because once you begin, something magical happens. Momentum. You'll check your portfolio. You'll learn. You'll get curious. That curiosity turns into confidence. And confidence? That's the spark of every investor's journey. So start small, but start today. Okay, quick crash course. When you invest, you're buying assets. Things that grow in value or generate income. Let's break it down. Stocks. You own part of a company. Bonds. You lend money and earn interest. ETFs and AMP index funds. A mix of many companies in one click. Real estate, property, or digital land. Crypto. High risk, high reward, high emotion. If you're new, stick to ETFs or index funds. They're like the autopilot mode of investing. You grow steadily with less stress. But wait, there's something even smarter you can do. Here's one trick that separates amateurs from pros: automation. Automatic transfers. Automatic investments. Automatic wealth. Why? Because humans are emotional, but systems aren't. So instead of deciding every month whether you'll invest, set it once and let your system handle it. That's how quiet millionaires are made. Now you might be thinking, okay, I've set it up. What's next? Well, here's the part that'll test your patience. This is where most people fail. They expect quick results. They treat investing like a get-rich-fast game. But here's the truth bomb. Time is the most powerful force in investing. Even small amounts, compounded over years, can turn into life-changing wealth. If you stay consistent for 5, 10, 20 years, you'll win. Period. And here's a crazy stat. If you'd invested just $100 a month in the S&P 500 since 2000, you'd have over $70,000 today. So remember, don't try to time the market. Spend time in the market. Now here's where the internet messes with people. You'll see gurus promising 10x overnight. You'll see flashy TikToks saying, "Buy this coin now, don't fall for it." If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Investing isn't about excitement. It's about endurance. So ignore the noise, focus on your plan, and remember, slow growth is real growth. Still with me? Good, because you're about to learn something powerful. Here's a secret most investors overlook. The best returns come from knowledge. Read one book a month? Follow credible YouTubers, not hype channels. Understand how the game works. Because when you know the rules, you stop fearing the game. At VisionSteps, we believe the best investment isn't a stock, it's you. And if you've made it this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people who gave up early. All right, time for a quick gut check. What happens if your favorite stock crashes tomorrow? If you're diversified, you'll be fine. If you're not, you'll panic. That's why you need balance. Spread your investments across industries and countries. When one falls, another rises. Then, every few months, rebalance. Keep your portfolio aligned with your goals. This is how you grow with peace of mind. Let's be real, hype fades fast. But habits, they build empires. When investing becomes part of your routine, you stop chasing results and start living them. That's what smart investing in 2026 is all about. Consistency, simplicity, discipline. If you can master those three, wealth becomes inevitable. Let's wrap this up with your 10-step plan, mindset. Why? Safety net. Start small. Learn assets. Automate. Think long-term. Avoid traps. Keep learning. Build habits. Simple? Yes. Easy? Not always. Worth it? Absolutely. And if you're still here, you're not just curious, you're committed. Now here's your next challenge. You've learned how to invest smart, but what if I told you there are 3 hidden income streams you can start in 2026 without quitting your job? That's exactly what we'll cover in the next video. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and join us at VisionSteps, where we turn small actions into big futures. Trust me, the best part of your financial story is just getting started. This is VisionSteps. Your journey to freedom starts with one smart step. See you in the next one.